got to excuse me. This is not a makeup day at all. But I did want to hop on here really, really quickly. Just got off of work. But I wanted to hop on here and show you the books that I got. Two of them I got from the local library. Two of them, I'm missing one. Two of them I got from the local library. Two of them, okay, so I just have four. And two of them came from a friend from my hometown, which is really, really great. So, yeah, I think 2019 is definitely a year of new beginnings, new things, new opportunities, new chances. The same person, yes, but just different chances to go after your dreams, go after what you love, go after what it is that whatever you want, go after that. And so in 2019, I'm challenging myself and I challenge you to go after something you love. And so the first book I have is a foreword by T.D. Jakes, Facing It, Bringing Purpose Back to Your Life, written by Cora Jakes Coleman, his daughter. And I think this will be a really, really great read. So I really, really can't wait to hop into this one. I started reading it at work, but I was like, nah, I'm waiting till I get home. Your secret to facing the impossible with confidence. A lot of times we go into the unknown, you know, worried or frightened at what the outcome may be. But if we just learn to walk in it with confidence and not worry, I think we'll see things easier, and we're able to smoothly get through it. So yeah, I'm excited to read this one, and I'll let you know. I'll do a review on each of these. But I think this will be a really, really great one. All of them will be really, really good. The second I have is Destiny by T.D. Jakes. I don't have the actual cover for this. But yeah, this one seems like it'll be a really, really great one. Step Into Your Purpose by T.D. Jakes. So yeah, just to name a few chapters: Instinct plus purpose equals destiny. There is more. Order your steps toward destiny. Destiny is spelled prioritize. Focus. Decide what deserves you. And then on and on. I think that'll be really, really great. Can't wait to read that one. And then another suggested by my guy from my hometown. I Am Number 8 by John Gray. I think this one will be a really, really hype one. And so I'm really, really excited and anxious to see what's in these books. I don't know which one I'm really, really going to read first. I want to read the Cora Jakes one first, but I also want to read I Am Number 1 as well as my last one that I'm going to show you. Grace, Not Perfection. Embracing Simplicity, Celebrating Joy by Emily Lay. This was also suggested by one of my Facebook friends. I'm from Arkansas. So I'm really, really excited to try this one. I'll give you a thorough and detailed summary or overview of them when I finish. I just really, really feel that 2019, and you're probably sick of me saying this, but if you don't start saying it, then 2019 will be just like 2018. And God knows, I do not want to repeat 2018. 2018 was just crazy, but we're leaving it there. We're leaving it there. I won't tell you what one of my friends said, but it's hilarious. But 2019 is just, I think, a year of new hope, new faith. 2018 tested us. Here. So yes, if you have any great reads, if you have any great reads for me, I would love to read them and check them out. I set a goal for myself for this year to read at least 24 books. 2 books a month. I already have my first 2 months. Share them. Alright, peace. Okay. One thing. Maybe 2 or 3. Won't be long. I'm noticing that I tend to use the word or even if that's a word, not sure. Is it? Maybe. Could be. I'm using that word a bit too much in my videos. So, I'm challenging myself. 2019, my YouTube videos, I'm not going to say that word during my thought process while speaking. I'm going to challenge myself while speaking with others to not say but to allow it to be an internal thought process like they taught us in speech class, but somehow I've forgotten that, and now that it's my time to actually use those things that I've been taught. So yes, that's it. Bye.